Hey guys, I'm Avail back again with another video. This time it is about this Pixel 4a. So finally I've got this device, so let's unbox this in this video and let's see how good is this. And after this I'll be making more videos on this device. So before we start, if you're new to my channel, then do hit the subscribe button to watch more videos on this device. And if you've already subscribed, a big thank you to all of you guys. So let's get started. First of all, let's see what's there in the box. Okay, so you can see that we have the device itself. Okay, it's a transparent cover here. So let's see what's there inside this. Nothing. Okay, it's a very simple box. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah, it must be the quick start guide. Okay, we have this charger. So this is 18-watt charger. So that is what we get inside the box. Then we have this USB Type-C cable. Okay, then we have this quick switch adapter. This is the quick switch adapter. Yeah, this one. Okay, so you can use it if you have iPhone or any other device. Okay, this is the quick switch adapter. Then we have nothing. So we don't have the quick. Where is the SIM tray tool? Let me check again. Yes, so here it is inside this paperwork. So here we have this, SIM ejector tool. Okay, so what we get inside the box: paperwork, so that is of no use. So you get this 18-watt charger inside the box. You have this quick switch adapter if you want to use it, and then you have this USB Type-C cable and this SIM tool. Okay, so these are the things that you get inside the box. Obviously you get this device. Okay, so we'll be checking on this. Now that's it in the box. So now let's check on the device itself. So let's remove this cover, and you can see that it is just having on the top they have added this protection. On the back there is nothing. Okay, so the first thing is that it's a really small device. We are used to having large screen devices nowadays, but this one is really compact. So it's a really compact, and the screen size is just 5.8 inch. So if you are looking for a device with a really compact size, this is a really good option, because I'm liking it, because in hand feeling is really good. So let me give you the physical overview here. On the top you can see that you have the headphone jack, and this is headphone jack, that is the port, and this is the microphone for noise suppression. And at the bottom we have these stereo speakers. So we'll be checking on the sound quality. We have this USB Type-C port. On the back we have this single camera setup, fingerprint scanner here. Okay, the sensor is there, the Google logo is here, and it says that it is made in Vietnam. Okay, on the right we have volume rockers and the power button, with a good texture here. On the top, as I said, at the bottom, yes, speaker grills, USB Type-C. On the top, this is the headphone jack, and this is the microphone, and dual microphones are there for noise suppression. So that's it. It's a very simple design, but the thing is that I'm liking it. It's very simple looking, but still really really sober, I would say. So yeah, we have this front camera on the here, on the back single camera. So this will be really interesting to see the picture quality from this camera setup. So let me set it up and I'll be back. Okay, so here is the quick specs list for you guys. So guys, the setup is done, and you can see that this is a really clean UI. that we get in Pixel devices normally. And you can see that the UI is really responsive. And the first thing that I have liked about this device is the haptic feedback. Let me show this. Yeah, you can hear the sound as well, and it's really really good, very responsive. Now this one is having this 5.8-inch AMOLED display, and it is really bright, and not the brightest, but it is really bright. And let's check one wallpaper so that we can check on the display quality. Okay, let's change to this one. Okay, done. Okay, so you can see that it is quite bright. Okay, the brightness is not an issue here. Okay, it is looking good. Now let me show you the settings, and it is already running on Android 11. So if you want to taste the Android 11, then you must get this one if you don't have any stock Android devices. So let me check this. Let's decrease the brightness. Here you can see that it is running on Android 11. Okay, and the security update is September 5. Okay, so yes, it is running on Android 11. So I'll be making one video very soon to show you the features that we have on Android 11. Okay, now let me show you the settings, and we'll see out of 128 GB, what is the storage that we get. Okay, here you can see that 15.16, this is it is already used, so 12% is already used, so rest you can use here, so it's good. And yes, so overall the feel is really good. The design is really interesting here because it is really compact, and though it is totally polycarbonate, but I can tell you that the in-hand feel is really good. Okay, so let's now check on the the display and the sound quality. Let's play one video video. So let's play this video, and this one comes with this HDR support, so this will actually enhance your video watching experience. So let's play this and we'll see the quality here. Okay, and you can see that the colors are really vibrant, it's really vivid, as it is an AMOLED display, so obviously the colors will be really well saturated and vibrant. So display is not a problem here, but yes, it is really good. You can see that the depth is there, and the black is looking really black, and you can see this. Yeah, so the display is looking good according to me. You let me know your thoughts about it. So display is really good here. You can see that. Now let's check on the sound quality. Here,
waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we...
So this is not the second speaker here. This must be the microphone. This is the main speaker, and this one is the second speaker, and the loudness is enough, I can say, and the quality is good here.
We don't need that. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is stay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. You and I are safe and sound.
So the sound quality is good, really good according to me. The stereo speakers are making a difference here. Okay, so sound quality, thumbs up. So the sound quality and the video, the display quality, both are looking really good here. Another thing is that you can watch HDR content here on Netflix if you have the subscription, so you can watch HDR content as well. So that is also one premium edition here according to me, and this one also comes with eSIM, so if you have that, you can use it here. So what do I think about this device? The processor, fine, 730G processor, powerful enough. The display, great, no problem. The sound quality, great. The design, awesome. Okay, no problem here. Obviously the cameras will be the highlight here, so I'll be doing one video, and the first video will be the comparison between the night side of this device, and I'll be comparing this one with the Samsung M51, the night mode there. So this video link will be here, so you can check that. Now only concern that I have here is the battery backup, because this one is having just 3140 mAh battery, so that will be the concern, and I'll be checking on that, and I'll be making one video to show you what will be the battery backup and what will be the battery charging speed. Both will be done very soon. So yeah, overall the design is great and the build quality is great, because though it is made of polycarbonate, but the in-hand feel is really good, and the cameras obviously will be the highlight. So I'll be making more videos on this device. So overall the design and the build quality and the size of this device, the display, I just liked it. Okay, so that's it in the video guys, and to watch more videos on this device, do subscribe and do let me know if you ended up liking this video. Okay, and do share your opinions in the comments. So till the next video guys, cheers.